Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. We have completed first chapter or one chapter, that is measurement of distance and motion, and now today we have started second chapter of physics, that is light, shadow and reflection. This is new chapter, light, shadow and reflection. So anyone what is light? You always see light. Then what happened? You know what is light? No. So let's see what is light. First, light. Simply, light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which help or enable us to see any object around us, or which create, simply we say that what, which create sensation in our eyes, which create sensation in our eyes. So you write here what light, it is a form of energy, it is a form of energy which help or enable, simply you write enable. It is a form of energy which enable us to see any object around us. It is a form of energy which enable us to see any object around us. That is what? That is the light. Simply light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. Okay. Next topic is luminous and non-luminous bodies. What is luminous? Luminous and non-luminous bodies. Luminous and non-luminous bodies. Okay? Luminous and non-luminous bodies. Simply, first we discuss what is luminous. Luminous means the bodies or object which emits their own light. The bodies or object which emits their own light is known as luminous bodies or luminous objects. Okay? Let's hear luminous body. Luminous body or object. Simply, the bodies which emits their own light is known as luminous body. Okay? Simply, the body which emit their own light is known as luminous. Means जो बॉडी अपना खुद का लाइट निकालता है, ऐसी बॉडी जो अपनी खुद की लाइट निकालती हैं, that body is known as luminous bodies. Clear? Now, what is the example? There are so many bodies are there. Simply, sun. First one is sun, burning candle, glowing bulb. These are the bodies or object which emits their own light. So these are the example of luminous bodies. What is sun, burning candle, glowing bulb, etc. Okay, these are the luminous bodies. Okay, note on this. Okay, next. I hope you noted it. So next we will discuss next topic, that is non-luminous. That is non-luminous. Non-luminous bodies. Non-luminous bodies. Non-luminous bodies is what? Simply, non-luminous. The word, this word what say? Non-luminous. मतलब means ऐसे object, that object which not emits light, but it reflects the light of luminous object. It reflects the light of luminous object. It reflects the light of luminous object. How? Right here, the bodies which not emits, which does not emits light, but what? But reflect the light of other luminous bodies or objects. Okay, मीन्स ऐसा बॉडी जो अपनी खुद की लाइट नहीं इमिट करता है, बट रिफ्लेक्ट करता है ऐसे लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट की लाइट को. तो दैट्स टाइप ऑफ बॉडीज इज नोन एज नॉन लुमिनस बॉडीज. द बॉडीज व्हिच डज नॉट emit light but reflect the light of other luminous object, that is known as non-luminous bodies. Example, what the example? Simply, first example is moon. You see what? Moon sign or moon appears in night sky. How? Because it reflects the light of sun. They have no their light. Okay, so it reflects the light of sun, and due to this reflection it appears to us. Okay, moon, any object means what? Simply pen, pencil, and so many objects. Okay, so you write etc. Okay, these are the objects which not emits their light, they emits the light of luminous bodies. Clear? Okay, now next topic is, we will start next topic, and before starting the next topic we will discuss some questions. So at the page number 160, page number 160, there is question, page number 160. So we will discuss here. First question is, name one natural luminous body. First is name one natural luminous body. So we will write directly answer. Any natural luminous body, any natural luminous body, what? Simply you write sun. Natural luminous body, sun. Second, answer second is what? Identify a natural non-luminous body with signs at night. With signs at night. Non-luminous bodies. The non-luminous body is what? Moon. This is answer. Second answer is moon. What is answer third? Answer third is what? Name a man-made luminous body. Man-made luminous bodies. There are so many man-made luminous bodies. What is candle? Answer 3 is candle. Candle, electric bulb, these are the man-made luminous body. Okay? And answer 4. What is question number 4 first? Under what condition does a non-luminous body appears luminous? Under what condition does a non-luminous body appears luminous? Under what condition means? Under what condition does a non-luminous body appears luminous? When non-luminous body reflect the when non-luminous body reflect the light of luminous body, then they appear to luminous. Then they appear to luminous. Okay? मीन्स जब वो लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं देन दे अपीयर्स टू लुमिनस. क्लियर? ओके. Note down this all the answers of page number which is given on page number 160. Note down this. Okay. I hope you noted it. So I'll rub this. Now next topic is types of material. Types of material means on the basis of light, types of material, that is transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay, so first one by one we will discuss it. First material is what? Transparent material or substance. Transparent substance. Okay. What do you mean by transparent substance? Simply, transparent means the substance from which light passes easily is known as, the material is known as transparent material or substance. Okay. सिंपली ऐसा मटेरियल जिससे पूरी लाइट पास कर जाए, ऐसे मटेरियल्स को हम ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल कहते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ राइट इट. अ substance which allows light to pass through it is called transparent material. Transparent material or substance. Clear? allow light to pass through it is called a transparent substance. Okay. What is the example? Simply write here. What is the example of transparent? Glass, water, acrylic, seeds, and etc. Okay, these are the materials which are transparent, means they allow to light pass easily. Okay, so these type of materials are called transparent. Clear? Now, second topic is what? Second topic is translucent. Translucent. What is translucent substance? Translucent substance. What do you mean by translucent substance? Simply translucent means ऐसा substance जिससे लाइट के कुछ पार्ट ही क्रॉस कर पाए, तो उस सब्सटेंस को हम ट्रांसलूसेंट कहते हैं. मीन्स अ सब्सटेंस विच अलाउ सम पार्ट ऑफ लाइट थ्रू इट, that is known as translucent substance. So write it. A substance which allows only some part of light is light through it, then it is called translucent object. Translucent object or substance. Clear? A substance which allow only some part of light through it, then it is called translucent substance. Clear? What is the example of translucent? Anyone? Translucent. Simply we will write here what? Frosted glass. Frosted glass. Wax paper. Wax paper. Grounded glass. Grounded glass. And etc. These are the translucent. Frosted glass which is used in your what? Which is used in your windows seats. Okay. Frosted glass through which only some part of light is passed. That is wax paper is also a translucent object. Clear? So note down this. Okay. Next topic is opaque substance or object. So we'll start next topic. Opaque object. Opaque opaque substance. Opaque substance. What is by opaque substance? Simply the word opaque means the substance which do not allow a light which do not allow light through it is called a opaque object. Through it is called a opaque object. मीन्स ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो जिससे बिल्कुल भी लाइट क्रॉस न करे, बिल्कुल भी लाइट पास न करे, दैट इज अ ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्सटेंस. सो लेट्स राइट हियर a substance which a substance which does not allow the light to pass through it. The substance which does not allow the light to pass through it, then this type of substance is known as opaque substance. Okay. The substance which does not allow the light to pass through it, then this type of substance is known as opaque substance. Okay, what is the example? So there are so many examples of opaque substance. Simply you write wood, cardboard, metals, and etc. Because there are so many opaque objects which does not allow light to pass through it. So from here we completed here. So next topic is shadow. So in next class we will discuss shadow. So you have revised all these topics, okay, which we discussed today. Okay, thank you to everyone.